Hi students, fourth exercise, 3 problems completed. Fourth question, so that x plus 4, x minus 3 and x minus 7 are the factors of x cube minus 6x square minus 19x plus 84. So these 3 are factors or not. First, let f of x equal to, take f of x given equation, given polynomial x cube minus 6x square minus 19x plus 84. 0 of the polynomial, first x plus 4, what x? X equal to minus 4. X plus 4 equal to 0, x equal to minus 4. Replacing x by minus 4 means f of minus 4 equal to x cube means minus 4 cube minus 6 into x square minus 4 whole square minus 19 into x means minus 4 plus 84 minus 4 whole cube minus 64 minus 6 into 4 fours 16, here minus into minus plus 16 minus into minus plus 19 fours 76 plus 84 next to minus 64 16 6 94 96, here minus is there, minus 96 plus 76 plus 84, here minus values add, minus 64 minus 96, we get minus 160, 76 plus 84 plus 160, 76 plus 84 160, these two negative add, minus 160 plus 160 get cancelled, 0. So 0 of the polynomial x minus 3 equal to 0. Next to second one, x should get remainder here 0. Next to second one, x minus 3, x equal to 3. X minus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 3. Replacing x by 3. F of 3 equal to 3 cube minus 6 into 3 square minus 19 into 3 plus 84. 3 cube 27 minus 6 into 3 square 9 minus 19 3 is 57 plus 84. Here 6 9s 54 minus 57 84 27. Plus values add, 27 84 we get 111 111 minus 54 minus 57 111. So minus 111 plus 111 get cancelled, we get 0 remainder. So 0 of the polynomial of next to third one, x minus 7. What is x? X equal to 7. F of x 7 equal to, replacing x by 7. F of 7 equal to x cube means 7 cube minus 6 into x square means 7 square minus 19 into x means 7 plus 84. 7 cube 343 minus 6 into 7 square 49 minus 19 sevens 133 plus 84. 343 49 6 294 minus 133 plus 84. Minus values add, 427 we get, plus values add, 427 plus 427 minus 427 get cancelled, 0. So by the given 3 factors, by the factor theorem, if x plus 4, x minus 3 and x minus 7 are the factors of f of x, means x cube minus 6x square minus 19x plus 84. Fifth question, if both x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 are the factors of px square plus 5x plus r, show that p equal to r. Let f of x equal to, write given polynomial px square plus 5x plus r. 0 of the polynomial, first one x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 2. Replacing x by 2, f of 2 equal to p into x square, x means 2, p into 2 square plus 5 into x means 2, 5 into 2 plus r. 2 square 4 into p, 4p plus 5 2s 10 plus r. Here 2 square means 4p plus 10 plus r. Given x minus 2 is a factor. X minus 2 is a factor means we get should remainder 0. Means remainder equal to 0. Means the total equation is 0. 4p plus 10 plus r equal to 0. Here 4p plus 10 plus r equal to 0. So we get plus 10 send that side, 4p plus r equal to minus 10. This is equation number 1. And second one, x minus 1 by 2. Take 0 of polynomial x minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. What about x? X equal to 1 by 2. Replacing x by 1 by 2 means, so f of 1 by 2 equal to p of 1 by 2 whole square plus 5 into 1 by 2 plus r. So p into 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4 plus 5 into 1 by 2 5 by 2 plus r. Here p into 1 by 4 p by 4 plus 5 by 2 plus r. So and given, what they given, x minus 1 by 2 is a factor. Is a factor of f of x. Is a factor means what? Should remainder 0 means p by 4 plus 5 by 2 plus r equal to 0. This constant to send that side. So otherwise take LCM of denominator. Here take LCM 4 p plus 5 by 2 into 4. 2 1s 2 2s 5 2s 10 plus 4r by 4 equal to 0. Again 4 send that side, 0 into 4 we get 0. P plus 4r equal to minus 10. This is equation number 2. So from 1 and 2 equations, from 1 and 2 equations, here observe first equation and second equation, we get RHS are equal means minus 10. There in first equation also we get minus 10 means both are equal. First equation 4p plus r equal to minus 10. Second equation p plus 4r equal to minus 10 means both RHS is equal. Now LHS also take equal, p plus 4r. Now p terms send this side, r terms send that side. 4p minus p equal to 4r minus r. 4p minus p, 4 minus 1 we get 3p equal to 4r minus r we get 3r. So p equal to r. 3 get cancelled. Here p equal to r. In question they asking show that p equal to r. Hence proved. Here hence proved. Sixth question. If x square minus 1 is a factor of a x power 4 plus b x cube plus c x square plus dx plus e, show that first question a plus c plus e equal to b plus d, and second a plus b plus c plus d plus e equal to 0. See here first one, write f of x. F of x equal to a x power 4 plus b x cube plus c x square plus dx plus e, and given factor means x square minus 1 is a one of the quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. This is a quadratic polynomial means having two factors. Here x square minus 1 equal to, here observe a square minus b square. Like here one place 1 square we can write. Means x plus 1 one of the factor, x minus 1 another factor. Here two factors of f of x means x plus 1 and x minus 1 are the factors of f of x. Means first take x plus 1 is a factor. Is a factor of, factor means what about x minus 1. Replacing x by minus 1, right, equal to a into minus 1 whole power 4 plus b into x cube means minus 1 whole cube plus c into here observe c into x square means minus 1 whole square plus d into x plus minus 1 plus e. Here minus 1 whole power 4 plus 1 means a into 1 plus b into minus 1 whole cube minus 1 plus c into minus 1 whole square means 1. Here plus into minus minus, d into minus 1 minus d plus e. Total do simplify, a minus here minus 1 into b minus b plus c minus d plus e. So this is a factor. First one, x plus 1 is a factor of f of x. X plus 1 is a factor of f of x. So means the total is equal to 0. Means a minus b plus c minus d plus e equal to 0. Next. Here minus b minus d. Send that sign. A plus c plus e equal to minus b. Send that side plus b. Minus d. Send that side plus d. Here first one observe. Hence proved here. A plus c plus e equal to b plus d. We get answer here. A plus c plus e equal to b plus d. First one is proved. Next second one. First one, x plus 1 is a one of the factor. Another factor x minus 1. X minus 1. What is x? X equal to 1. Replacing x by 1. F of x equal to a x power 4 plus b x cube plus c x square plus dx plus e. Like f of 1 equal to a 1 power 4 plus b into 1 cube plus c into 1 square plus d into 1 plus e. Simplify this one. A power 1 power 1 4. We get to 1 only. 1 into a plus 1 cube 1 into b plus 1 square 1 into c plus d into 1 d plus e. So therefore in question what they given, x minus 1 is a factor of f of x. Means what? This is one of the factor, means remainder is 0. A plus b plus c plus d plus e equal to 0. Here this is second question. Here remainder is 0. F of x equal to 0 means what? Is a remainder is 0. Here hence proved. Second one also proved. A plus b plus c plus d plus e equal to 0.